Welcome to episode 186 of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we'll take a look at a bearish engulfing chart pattern. A bearish engulfing candlestick pattern shows us that the market is likely to drop. So once we see a bearish engulfing candlestick at a key support and resistance level, we're looking for price to move lower, so we'll take a short trade in this case. So let's go on to the charts and take a look at what a bearish engulfing candlestick looks like, where we would enter our trade, and where the stop loss would go, and most importantly, where we would take our profit. Here we are looking at a bearish engulfing trade setup. This is pound-dollar 1 hour chart. A bearish engulfing candle is a candle like this where it engulfs the previous price action. So as we can see here, this candle, this bearish candle here, if we were to place it on top of this previous candles, it would just cover that fully. So that's our bearish engulfing candle. So once we see a bearish engulfing candle close here, what we are also looking for is this bearish engulfing candlestick to form at some key support and resistance levels. So in this case, we have this bearish engulfing candle that has closed below our daily pivot point level. So I'm always looking for confluence of different things coming together so that we increase the probability of our trade. So in this case, we have a bearish engulfing candle. Previously, we have a move to the downside, then price pulls into the pivot point and closes below the pivot point with our bearish engulfing candle. So all of those things together here, so we have a lower high. So all of those things are different confluences that are coming together. So once we take trades at good levels, the probability of the trade working out is really high. So that's why we want to look for other factors that are contributing to this as well. Okay, so once we see our bearish engulfing candle close here, we enter the trade at the close of the candle. Our stop can either go on the other side of the daily pivot point, or we can put it on the other side of our previous high over here. So this, if we put it on top here, that is more of a conservative stop, and that's a good one as well. But if you wanted a smaller stop loss, you can put your stop right on the other side of the daily pivot point here, or on other side of your R1 level. So we see the candle close here, we enter the trade short, and we stay with the trade as it's moving lower here. And once we get into the next support and resistance level, we see that twice price tries to break through this next support level, and then we get a bullish engulfing candle close here. Now, this is a reversal pattern in the opposite direction. So this is when we would close out this trade, we would exit the trade here. So just to recap here, we're looking for a bearish engulfing trade setup. This is our bearish engulfing candle close here. Once we see the bearish engulfing candle close, we enter the trade short. Our stop can go either on the other side here, just making sure there's enough room for trade to breathe, or it can go on the top here, just on the other side of our swing high. Once we enter the trade short here, we stay with the trade till price gets into the next support and resistance level. We see that price is not able to break below our support, and then we get a bullish engulfing candle close. So this is when we would exit our trade. From entry to exit here, we get 85 pips in our trade. So the profit is 85 pips or $850 if trading one standard lot.
If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/forex course.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like this video, please feel free to subscribe and share it with your friends. I'll be back with another great trade setup next time.